So for other Frenchie owners or dog owners in particular, what should they look out for? Because I am kicking myself. I do think we probably should have brought him in earlier because we did notice he was excessively small.
I don't think you should kick yourself because I think you got a bit unlucky. Not all ear infections will turn into that aural haematoma.
Okay.
And when they do, it happens really quick. So, you look at it one day, it's totally normal, the next day blown up.
Yeah.
So it's not like you could have seen some sign for that developing. But I think just generally if there's any shaking the head, itching at the ear, a little scratch here and then is one thing, but if it's excessive, and definitely any discharge or muck in the ear because it shouldn't be there, then bring them in, we can check his ears. It's a pretty common problem.
Is it? Yeah. And is there anything we can do to prevent him getting these sorts of infections?
That's a good question. So definitely cleaning the ears semi-routinely. So usually for dogs that are prone to ear infections, we'll say once a week.
And how do we clean them?
Good question. So if we use some sort of a cleaner, stuff from the pet shop or the vet's recommended is the good stuff. And just pour the cleaner into their ears, holding their ear up straight, pour it right down the canal, give it a little rub after, let them shake it out. If there's some discharge on the outside, you can just wipe it out with a bit of tissue, but it's really the skunk inside that we're trying to get out, so using that special cleaner is the most important. And you can also use it after he has a bath or goes for a swim to make sure there's no extra water and stuff in there afterwards.
Great, thank you so much. We'll definitely do that now, moving forward. And thank you for your care of him.
That's okay. He's a sweet little guy.
He's a sweet little guy. And he was trembling when we put him in the car, but the minute he got in here, he knows that you've got his back.
I hope so. We provide the snacks anyway.
Animals have got the sense that they're being helped, don't they? So no, he thinks you're all good value, and just thank you so much for your care.
Absolute pleasure. He's a good boy.
He is a good boy. Thank you.
Oh, little guy, do you want another little snack before we head off?
Yeah, he would.
Yummy.
Well, he's not going to forget you. He'll be happy to come back as long as you're giving him snacks. He'll come back.
Bravery is the key.